Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on current of Pacific Ocean. Dear students, in the last video lecture, we have learned Atlantic Ocean currents of Atlantic Ocean. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss Pacific Ocean current. As you know that this is the Pacific Ring of Fire, and from here, 0 degree equator, uh, we are going to start. Okay, so this is California current, this is cold current, uh, and because of this is the part of California coast. So from here, California current, this cold current moving towards southern American part, and due to trade winds, this current uh, due to trade winds, as you see, this current flows from east to west, and this is called North Pacific Equatorial Current. And as you know that here is Chinese, Japanese Sea, and from here the warm current goes towards Europe, and this is the part of Kuroshio black current, you can also say. And from here, Oyashio current, this is cold current, and cold current and warm current meet here, and this is the part of lukewarm current. And as you know that here is Fogfish Bank. Because of the lukewarm current, it is easy to pisciculture. And from here, this warm current, Kuroshio, goes heading towards northern Pacific Ocean current, heading towards deep towards Alaska, and this is also warm current. This is from here, because of this is the part of Alaska, so this is Alaska current. That means this subtropical gyre in the northern Pacific Ocean, we have subtropical gyre and clockwise. Okay, now moving towards uh, southern part of the Pacific Ocean. Look at this. From here, we have alternate current, and this is due to the trade winds. From here, Humboldt current, we can also say Peruvian current, Peru current, and due to trade winds and the Coriolis force, as you know that this current flows anti-clockwise in this part, oceanic part. So this ocean current heading towards west from east, and down from this eastern Australian coast. So from here it is Australian current, and this is Antarctic circumpolar region. This is again cold current. So this is, and the between this subtropical gyre found. So this circular pattern also called gyre. Alright guys, this is all about the Pacific Ocean current. Now we are going to discuss our Indian Ocean current. So currents of Indian Ocean. Look at this northern part and southern part. You can also visit here in the one's part also. You can read it. So this is 0 degree equator, and this is the part of Indonesian islands country, Indonesian islands, Java, Sumatra, Borneo, like that. So from here, cold current in the northern part of the summer, in warm current heading towards east to west. This is called Noik and Maldives current, and this is the part of Somalia. So here, warm current is called Somalia current. This is heading towards Asia, and from here, this is move and form a clockwise circle. So this is called no, not form in this part circle because there is no cold current in this part because of the circumpolar region and the Arctic Ocean region very away from here. Okay, when it's come to talking about southern Indian Ocean current, we have this is the part of islands of Indonesia. So when trade winds blow uh, in the southern hemisphere, it follows Coriolis force, Farrell's law, and due to this, this current flows from east to west, and this Indian South Indian Ocean current, equatorial current, heading towards Mozambique current, and this is the Madagascar island from between Mozambique and the Madagascar island. This warm current heading towards uh, south of Africa, and due to this circumantarctic polar region current, this is the part of Aglohas current. This is the strongest. Okay, and West Australian current. This is cold current. So look at this. Here again we have anti-clockwise gyral pattern. Okay. So I hope it is clear. This is all about. I hope all the dots and queries you have is cleared now. Are clear now. So thank you so much.